In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link or add a debit card to Gumroad. To get started, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you sell your products or plan to receive payments. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation area where you usually manage your products, customers, and analytics. From here, look for the settings option, usually located in the sidebar or at the top navigation bar. Click on Settings to open the page where you can manage your account configuration. This is where Gumroad lets you control things like your profile, notifications, and most importantly for this video, your payment details. On the Settings page, find and click on the Payments tab. This takes you to the section dedicated to how you get paid. Give the page a moment to load, and then scroll down until you see the area labeled Payout Method. This is the section where you connect a bank account or debit card so Gumroad knows where to send your earnings. In the first part of the Payout Method section, you'll see the form that allows you to add your bank account details, which is what your debit card is linked to. Start by clicking into the field labeled Pay to the order of, or something similar. Here, type in your full name exactly as it appears on your bank account. This should match your official banking records to avoid any payout issues. Next, click into the SWIFT or BAC code field and enter the correct code provided by your bank. This code identifies your bank internationally, so double check it on your bank statement or bank website if you're unsure. Then, move to the account number field and type in the bank account number that is connected to your debit card. This is where Gumroad will send your payouts. After that, you'll see a Confirm Account Number field. Type the same account number again to confirm it, making sure both entries match exactly. Now, click on the account type dropdown and choose whether this is an individual or a business account, depending on how your bank account is set up. Below that, fill in the remaining name and address fields with your correct legal details and billing address. Once everything is complete and accurate, your debit card's bank account is successfully linked to Gumroad and you're ready to receive